You've got big dreams. You want wealth, respect, muscle, influence. But you're stuck, lazy, ambitious mind, comfort-seeking body. If that's you, watch closely. Inside your head, you're a lion. You plan. You visualize success. But your body? A cat chasing a laser pointer. And the result? Nothing changes. You stay stuck in your comfort zone loop. Here's the sad reality. Ambition is worthless without execution. Without work, dreams rot into regrets. Your lazy habits are eating your future alive. But the fix isn't more planning, it's brutal action. Want to break free? Here's how. Step 1. Wake up before sunrise, before excuses even form. Step 2. Do the hardest thing first. Workout, cold shower, deep work. Step 3. Cut dopamine leaks. No endless scrolling, no junk. Keep your mind sharp. These aren't life hacks. They're seizure triggers for your ambition. If you're lazy, you're choosing comfort. And that comfort is the anchor dragging your ambitions into the sea. You can blame lack of direction, money, or time. But it's never the real problem. The real problem is you let comfort win. 15-day no comfort challenge. Here's the challenge. Tomorrow, no snoozing. First thing, hardest thing, no mindless scrolling. No excuses. And do this for 15 days straight. Thinking out lazy? Prove it. Hit subscribe because this journey isn't easy, but we're rebuilding together. Time to stop dreaming and start becoming.